going to Ashi's Book Hub. So this time I'm taking you a trip back to the Riordan verse. Remember that last time I brought you a video about the author's collection, I didn't have one series with me. That was the Trials of Apollo series. So I got this set. I'll just give you a closer view. The full set. No, it's not unboxed yet. I was waiting to do a video. So yeah, man, I had to wait for a long time, because I got this on my birthday, which was on February, but my mother wouldn't let me open this since I was on my semester exams, and if I started reading something, I would not stop it even to learn. So my mother told me, you can finish that and then you can start reading. So 2-3 days ago, my exams finished, and right now I'm ready to unbox this. So let's start. So this book has the 4 books of the Trials of Apollo series and the Camp Half-Blood Confidential. Let's go. Give me some time. Let's start with the top cover. Oh my god. I'm almost shaking to read this. Okay. Great. Don't worry, nasty habits. Okay. So, give me some time to explore. Oh my god, it's beautiful. So we have some reviews. It says, a fantastic blend of myth and modern by Ian Colfer, the author of Artemis Fowl. So I'll just show you. I'll come closer. I don't want the books to drop down. So here we have this top one and the other side. Okay, so let's take them out one by one. So first I showed you this book which I had, but the others I haven't read any of them. So I am. Oh my god, I just want to carefully take this out. I don't want to damage the books. Okay, great. Whoops. I have to say little by little take this out. Okay, great. Okay, I've been trying to kill the box just when I could turn it to the other side and take the books. So take them out little by little. So it's not heavy at all. Keep that there. Oh, maybe I'll keep it here so that you can see. Okay, great. 1 second. I just love the smell of books. So here we have the Camp Half-Blood Confidential. Next we have the first book, The Hidden Oracle. The Dark Prophecy. I read this about this much online. After that I didn't start reading it. It's seriously boring when you read online. No, I know. And then we have The Burning Maze. And last but not least, The Tyrant's Tomb. So these are the 5 books. I think these are some of the largest books. No. We have the Blood of Olympus. It's like twice this thing. Okay. Keep that here. So hope you enjoyed. So now I'll be showing you both the box set and the books. Let's just keep this. My hands got on me. Wait, duh. Okay, keep that there. No, it's too heavy too. So I'll be reviewing these and reviewing all the other books in the Riordan verse series. So you can watch all my other videos to see what I'll bring in the future with the Riordan verse. So subscribe, like, comment in the section below and share this video with your friends. Bye, see you next day.